Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use Windows recovery options in Windows 11. Press Win+I to open settings, then navigate to Windows Update History. Select the update that you want to remove and click on Uninstall. Turn on your PC, then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to turn it off. Repeat the power off process 2 more times. Wait for your PC to enter the Windows recovery environment, WinRE. On the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Repair. Allow the Startup Repair tool to scan and fix your PC. Restart your PC to check if the problem is resolved. Connect the recovery drive to your PC and restart it. On the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot to restore from a system restore point. Go to Advanced Options System Restore, preserving personal files but removing recent apps, drivers, and updates. Alternatively, for a fresh start, select Advanced Options Recover from a drive, reinstalling Windows 11, and wiping personal files, apps, drivers, and settings changes. Press Win+S, then on search bar type Control Panel. Then navigate to Control Panel Control Panel Items. So Recovery. Then click on Open System Restore. After that, click on Next button. Choose your desired restore point from the list, then click Scan for affected programs. Then click on Next. Finish. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.